Now here are the key themes to keep in mind as far as if you are receiving gift funds. First thing you need to do is document that it is a gift fund and where it is coming from, meaning what family member or person is giving it to you depending on the situation. Secondly, you need to document the source of the funds, meaning where is that money coming from, and specifically the bank accounts they are coming from. And thirdly, you have to make sure that this is not a gift in disguise, meaning it's not really just a loan that you have to repay after the fact. So here's what you need to know about documenting all of this. In order to document the actual source of the funds, you need a letter first, and that letter needs to be dated, have the name of the individual who is gifting the funds, and it needs to include the date and the amount of the funds being transferred. It needs to include the relationship of that person that is giving the funds, and it needs to also have the source of the funds, such as specifically what bank, money market, or investment account that it is coming from. And finally, it needs to specifically state that this is not a loan, that this is a gift. We also need to document where those funds are coming from, and this is done by providing a bank statement of what account the funds are coming from that person. And you need to show the paper trail that the money has been transferred either to the buyer or directly into escrow at the title company.